Confidence is crucial to personal and professional success. People who aren't confident tend to miss out on new challenges, relationships, and opportunities. At the end of this video, we should learn how to own the situation in every situation, embrace your imperfections, take action to move forward, learn how to sustain your confidence, aligning with the right people, maintaining a positive perspective, and putting together a plan. The first step towards improving how you handle self-confidence involves learning to own the situation. This just means you'll strive to understand and accept the fact that ultimately you are responsible for how you feel about yourself. All human beings are deeply imperfect, and yet most of us spend a lot of energy denying it. I understand we don't wish to be defined by failure or to have people think about our imperfections. That's true. But carving out time to think about this reality and how to use it is actually essential for strong self-confidence. Sometimes being face to face with our imperfections hurts self-confidence, but now you know that they can actually become catalysts for stronger self-confidence. So the next time things don't go quite right, choose to smile and start thinking about what you can learn that will help you next time. When you find yourself not feeling confident, don't wait long before you choose to do something about it. Goals work because they direct and focus your attention on outcomes that you value. So if you want to think about building self-confidence, let's think about levels of goals. When confidence takes a hit, we can become too worried and too risk-averse. Those big long-term goals can feel daunting and somehow outside of our reach, but they're not. Understanding self-confidence requires you to think about how you interact with your environment every day. There is no perfect solution here, but generally, people feel better when they invest time to look better. The connection is real, so take a minute and think about how you want to look. Soon enough, you'll have optimized the context around you, making it easier to build and maintain self-confidence. Being positive is usually important. Positivity! 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 When you feel positive, everything else somehow seems easier and more manageable. As your belief in your ability grows, so does your self-confidence. Successful actions that you move away from a negative space should be celebrated. Maybe a small internal cheers you offer yourself, or possibly a coffee drink from your favorite cafe will do. Keep it small, but do it. Each time you take steps past a mental impasse towards a healthy mindset. That next small win or that next big goal, that's something worth celebrating. Follow these tips and you're likely to stay positive. The good news is self-confidence is self-perpetuating. Once you develop it, confidence can buy you from one situation to the next. In the end, while it's true that self-confidence is somewhat driven by your personality, it's vital to always remember that it can also be viewed as a skill. Give this advice a chance and start building that skill today.